When someone continuously maltreats his spouse, even in front of his children and her family, then you know that that case of maltreatment and actually wickedness in this case has gone up the notch. Like, this one is, I fear nobody, I see nobody, you can't do anything, she is mine in capital letters. Now me get am, now me own am. And one of the reasons why they like to, like, when it comes to this married thing, men should shall know, say, no matter how much you say you take marry woman, or how you think say the woman don't be your own now, that woman from somewhere. And that's why it always baffles me when I hear this Osinachi story about the fact that the husband stopped her from relating with her family. Her mother couldn't even come take care of her after she had children. In fact, in one of the cases, because this twin sister told the court that on one occasion the husband actually asked her out of the house, like chased her out of the house that she built. The house that they have is her house. She's the owner of the house. She's the provider. She's the one who works. The man answers the work of manager and collects money, and they pay him for her jobs that she goes for, and sometimes she doesn't even have access to the funds. So this whole thing is not even about her not working. She was working, but another person was eating the money that she was working for. Now he chased her out of the house with their last child, and in this case it was her first child that actually gave her wrapper to cover the baby under the rain. Do you know the level of wickedness somebody is being mean to you, to the point that your children begin to see that you are mean to their mother, but you kept on being mean to their mother? Now the sister told the court that the husband stabbed her sister up until the point that she had ulcer. Now people are asking in the comment section, how do you start somebody that is cooking? How do you start somebody that is in charge of food in the kitchen? I said, when it comes to all these situations, and also they said the lawyer asked the twin sister that how did she know about all these events that she was saying in court, since she wasn't living in the same house with Osinachi and her husband. The sister said that her sister told her over the phone, and that's possible because they were twins, you understand? So guys, listen, people are saying that she cannot starve her. I said this starvation might not even be that she did not see food to eat. If you want to eat one plate of food in a day or 3 times a day, and somebody makes you eat once a day, the person is actually starving you. And now the worst thing is, I don't know how an adult has that kind of control over another adult's life. And now in this case, we all know that Osinachi has passed. So the things we are doing is taking lessons from this her situation. Don't stop staying in marriages that are killing you. Stop staying in marriages that are ending your life. She had children, 4 whole children that don't have any mother now to take care of them because of the father's decisions. And now remember the last video I posted, the man said he wasn't responsible for his wife's passing and that she died of cancer and everything. But now all these cases they are bringing to court are all the cases of him maltreating his wife, saying that these things also led to maybe hastening her death if actually she died of cancer, because we have not seen what the court has, the judgment passed by the court here. So we're talking based on what we know on all the things that have been alleged. Eyewitness reports of people that have actually come in contact with the both of them, seen how he treated her. And imagine, like, not seeing her father for so many years before he passed, like she saw her father in death, you understand? Like in one of the cases, sister said that his father was sick and the husband refused the father to come to Abuja for treatment because the husband says your family cannot come and the family will not come. So I'm asking, please tell me in the comment section, like, this kind of situation, in case somebody they go through this kind of situation right now, what is to be done to somebody who says your family cannot come visit you? In fact, imagine going to the state that your mother stays in to go and minister, and you cannot even stay in your mother's house. That can be traumatizing for anybody. And I don't even understand how I don't know, I don't want to blame anybody right now, but I feel like there should be a point where your family member is going through abuse with their spouse and you practically go and drag them out of the house. I know that these kind of cases are like, we've had cases where the abused is dragged out and she tells the police that I'm not being abused. She tries to protect her abuser, but make it be say when I don't go drag and come on, 911 is a hand come out, you understand? Like physical, I'm not saying like physically go carry the person's load. If I leave the property, leave the load and carry the person's life out of the house, because this whole case with all these things we've been hearing that she went through before her passing, you understand? Like, I don't know how one person has control over another person's life this much. It is really, really disheartening. And the case is still in court. For those people that are saying that judgment has not been passed yet, and all these things. That's why the family is trying to debunk all these rumors. That please, when you want to say these kind of things, have small information. Don't go and be giving extreme information when you don't have the judgment. The case is still in court, and there's still the whole court process going on. So we don't know what the judge will say at the end of the whole situation. But guys, I just had to bring to you guys what the sister said in court, and how this whole thing is just really a lot. And it's just so sad that she has to be talked, this whole matter has to be talked about in her death. You understand? Right now we're talking about all these things, and she's not going to come back. It has happened, and the whole point is for people to take lessons from this thing. Please, if you're in an abusive relationship, I beg you right now, please look for a way out. Your life is more important than the number of years you've stayed married. Your life is more important than the number of what people will say and count, and how many golden jubilees you're going to do. Please choose yourself first. You matter. Don't stay for anybody, not for your children. If you stay for your children, when you go, nobody will take care of them. Now they would have to be shared amongst people that might not even take care of them. You know how it is done in Africa, and this is just such a sad situation. As the matter progresses, we'll bring to you as much information as we know here on the Rose Show. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please like it. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching. I see you guys. Thank you. Oh yeah, guys, now I'll go see you now for my next video. Bye.